Welcome guys, welcome to Yao Crypto's channel. Today I'm going to show you the reason why Soso Value is trending recently. Now Soso Value already launched their first season of crypto, which was distributed in 2025. Now in the first quarter of 2026 they are bound to launch their second season of their crypto. Now what you and I must do so we don't miss out on this airdrop is to start stacking up EXP. EXP is their point which will add up for you to qualify for their airdrop. Now, to not waste much time on this, you need to click on the link in the description of this video or in my Telegram channel. You end up on a platform or an interface just like this saying Soso Value. You need to input your email or your phone number section over here to sign up, easily and simple. So after signing up, you're going to move to a new interface which you're going to do certain tasks to qualify for this EXP token so you can earn a free airdrop on this second season of Soso Value. Okay guys, now after registering and signing up and confirming your email address, your page will be just like this, or your interface will be just like this. So now, as you can see, you move to the section called the EXP section here. EXP section here. So after moving to this section, you can see you can earn EXP tokens for daily check-ins, liking page on Instagram, TikTok, X, reposting on X, watching daily news videos on YouTube, and sharing posts on X. So you can add up this EXP token. As you can see, EXP token over here. So this is the amount of EXP token I have in my account. So now to qualify for this airdrop or this Soso Value Season 2 airdrop, you need to stack up EXP with 1 million so you can qualify for this airdrop. So as you can see, now I have 674,000 EXP tokens. So after adding up, completing tasks, or joining the daily starter pack to earn more points, as you can see, you can earn more points in this section. I can stack up more EXP token for myself so I can qualify for the affiliate Season 2 Soso Value airdrop. So now, to know which much time, start completing these tasks, and you can refer friends and family members to join this platform to earn 25,000 on successful invitation, and invitee reaching level 1, you're going to also earn 50,000 on this referral. So stacking up is very easy and simple. Don't miss out. They already launched a token which is worth about 50 cents now, also the last time I checked. So don't miss out. This is a real airdrop which is going to function really good. Without understanding anything, hit me up on Telegram or in the comment section. I'll respond to you so we can move on.